been thinking about being a global entrepreneur that also gets amazing tax benefits, this video is for you because I'm going to introduce you to one of the smartest options that we have out there, Singapore. Hello and namaste, my name is Nidhi Nagori and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for doing so. And if you are a regular viewer of my channel, thank you so much for stopping by yet again and spending time with me. My name is Nidhi, I'm a finance professional, a digital creator and the CEO and founder of Globalogy. And in today's video, your girl's gonna talk smart because I'm gonna take you through 4 major things. Why Singapore? A great place to move and start a business. What kind of businesses are doing well there? How to move there legally as an entrepreneur? And how can you set up everything remotely with help from Osome, an all-in-one business setup service. So let's get into it. First up, why Singapore? Well, there are many reasons to do it, and I'm going to be comprehensive in just 4 bullets. First, the low taxes. So corporate taxes here are maxed out at 17%, and startups get tax exemptions the first few years. The business setup is fast and easy. You can register your company in just 1 day. Also, it's English-speaking, globally connected, and perfect for international founders. And overall, it's clean, safe, modern, and efficient. In short, it's an entrepreneur heaven. But how can you start a business? Here's how you can do it without being there physically. You can choose your business structure, then gather all your documents, and you can appoint a local director. So Singaporean laws require at least 1 local director. And if you don't know anyone locally, this is where Osome can help you. But what's Osome? So Osome is a cool platform that helps entrepreneurs set up and run their businesses in Singapore completely online. They help you with all the boring and very important things like company registration, nominee local director, address, accounting and compliance, and even opening a bank account. And honestly, Osome is truly awesome because using Osome is shockingly easy. No paperwork, no confusion, just upload your documents and let them take care of it. And if you want to be amazing and try Osome, I have an amazing discount link for you guys in the description box. Check it out and fall in love with them just like I did. And now that the compliance stuff is taken care of, let's talk about what are the hot business ideas. So a lot of industries are booming in Singapore right now, but your girl has chosen top 5 for you. First, you can do e-commerce and dropshipping. Singapore's strong logistics network, proximity to the Asian Pacific markets, and high internet penetration makes it an ideal hub for online businesses. So whether you're selling niche products or running an e-commerce shop, the setup is smooth and the shipping is fast. And as a bonus, no export-import duties on most goods. Second, you could also run a digital marketing agency. Brands across Asia are investing heavily in online presence. If you have skills in content creation, performance marketing, branding, or SEO, there's a strong demand for agencies that can help businesses grow online. Plus, being in Singapore gives you access to regional clients in Indonesia, Malaysia, and beyond. You can also try fintech, SaaS, or AI. Singapore is one of the top fintech hubs in Asia. With strong government backing, easy access to funding, and a tech-savvy audience, it's the perfect place to build tools in payments, investment, regtech, and automation. From fitness coaching to mental wellness apps to clean beauty products, the demand for health and lifestyle solutions is booming. Singaporeans are highly health conscious and willing to invest in quality services, be it personal online training, plant-based nutrition, or mindfulness coaching. And the last idea that I have for you is consulting, just like this girl, especially if you have skills in finance, IT, HR, or legal. Businesses often outsource to expert-led consultancies rather than building internal teams. And I think it's a great low-capital way to start earning from your skills. So if you have a business that's digital and scalable, Singapore is one of the best launchpads that you can have in the Asia-Pacific market. And if you want to move there through your business, you can apply for an Entree Pass. So it's a visa for foreign entrepreneurs who've just started or plan to start a business in Singapore. For this, you'll need a solid business idea, some capital, and backing from a recognized incubator. And luckily for you, Osome, being very awesome, can help you with this as well. And lastly, setting up your bank account to get that cash in. Once your company is registered, you'll definitely need a bank account to get the money in and to make your payments. And Osome can help you with that as well. So my final thoughts. If you are somebody that's looking to explore global careers through an entrepreneur's mindset without investing heavily in this process, Singapore is a great place to consider. It's easy, fast, and strategic. And with Osome, you can start anywhere in the world. They'll help you register your company in just a few clicks. So if you're serious about going global, this is one of the smartest moves to make. And if you like this idea, let me know in the comments which business will you start in Singapore. As for me, I promise to see you in the next video. Always looking for your thoughts, ideas, suggestions, always reading through the comments and planning my content. So please make sure you comment and let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Until then, please take very good care of yourself. Keep working hard, keep hustling, keep pushing, but always remember to take out time for yourself. Stay healthy, keep smiling. See you soon. Namaste.